Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm doing a product review on a French pastry that you can order and have delivered to your home. Now the pastry is called a Kouign Amann, and I have the spelling up above there. And this is produced by a company called Karma, K-R-M-A. And I wanted to see how good this pastry was that you can have shipped to your home. So it comes in 3 flavors, and I ordered all 3 flavors for this particular offering. It came in a combination pack, and I actually ordered from an online shopping network called QVC. So let me give you a look at it. Now this is how it came to me in this box. No other box, just came wrapped like this in the box. It had the shipping tag right here. It had tape around it, and on the inside they give you a nice little readout and printout of the information on these pastries. And so this is how they come packaged. So in this offering it had 24 Kouign Amanns, and each one is said to weigh, each one of these little individual ones is said to weigh 2 ounces. I have 3 flavors. I have guava, the original, and the Bavarian cream. Now looking at these in the package, it's not really clear to me yet which is which, but I'm going to open these up. And they recommend that you either heat these up in the oven or do an air fryer. I'm going to do the oven. And it's in the oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. The calorie count for the original is 240 calories. For the guava and the Bavarian cream is 300 calories. So I'm going to get these heated up and I'll come back and do a taste test. Okay, I cooked them, and it recommends that you let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. These have been sitting for about 3 minutes. So I'm ready to start tasting. I think I'm going to start with the original first, which is right here. Now, when you open up the package, you can tell which is which. I just couldn't see through that package. So here's the original. Let me give you a closer shot of that first before I dig in. Now you can see the butter. It has plenty of butter. I think the butter ratio in here is 30% butter, 30% sugar, and then 40% flour. You can definitely taste the butter. There's flakiness to it. It's not bad. It's like a croissant, but only richer in the amount of butter that's in there. I can taste the sugar. It's not really, really sweet. I think it's a good breakfast bun to have. So that's the original. I'm going to try the guava next. Okay, that has a nice bit of filling in there. I wasn't expecting to see all that filling in there. Now the guava has a light fruitiness to it. You can still taste the butter. And it's flaky. It has many layers, just like the original. Let me wipe off my fork and my knife. This is the Bavarian cream. Now the Bavarian cream, even though you don't see a whole lot of the cream, you do taste it. And I think this is my favorite one. That Bavarian cream brings out just a little bit more sweetness, creaminess. I think this Bavarian cream will make an excellent breakfast bun with a nice strong cup of coffee. I see the guava and the original more as being something you would drink maybe with a tea. But overall, I say these are pretty good. But it's not the same, in my opinion, as getting a freshly baked pastry right in a bakery. It's not going to be the exact same experience. Now, it's a step above getting a pastry in your generic big box grocery store. These measure up really well. I think they're good in that respect. But if you're really expecting a Parisian experience, a French experience, it's not going to be to that level, but they're pretty good. I would recommend buying these. There's a difference. You could put these out, for example, on a dessert table as an alternative to maybe some of the other more sweeter things you may be offering to your guests. But overall, it's not bad. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the original and the guava about the same rating. I would give them like a 6.8. For the Bavarian cream, I would give that like a 7.2. I think this is probably the better of the three that I ordered. Well, if you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Well, that's it for now. Bye-bye.